Xi Jinping is a complete disgrace. Not only has he betrayed his father, his daughter, and his wife, he has also deceived the people, polluted the land, and dragged the country into decline. His father, Xi Zhongxun, stood for economic freedom. As a victim of Mao's prejudice, he believed in the rule of law and a limited government. Yet Xi Jinping has suffocated China's economy through iron-fisted controls and trampled the constitution underfoot while building a cult of personality. In doing so, he has utterly disgraced his father's ideals and legacy. His daughter Xi Mingze grew up longing for the values of the free world. She mastered English to a professional level and left China to study at Harvard, hoping to live freely and openly like Liu Yiting. But due to Xi Jinping's global infamy as a brutal autocrat, her future in the West is now shadowed by her father's tyranny. His wife Peng Liyuan was once admired across China for her beauty, intellect, and discipline. She rose to fame at the age of 20 with a song In the Fields of Hope and became China's first master's degree holder in vocal performance. But Xi Jinping not only looked down on her genuine credentials, but also faked a PhD for himself. He then used it to cheat his way to absolute power. As the wife of a crooked dictator, Peng Liyuan's once pure image is in ruins. Who can guarantee she won't one day meet the same fate as Jiang Qing? So tell me, is it an exaggeration to say Xi Jinping has betrayed his own family? That's just the damage to his family. Let's talk about what he's done to China. Xi Jinping has betrayed the Chinese people. He governed through fear. Like Mao, he's obsessed with power, cracking down on dissent with brutal efficiency. Even the people of Hong Kong, once proud of their freedom, have been muzzled. In the mainland, speaking your mind can cost you your job, your future, and your freedom. Under such suffocating repression, China's economy is collapsing. Millions of young people graduate straight into unemployment. The wealthy, the talented, the driven, many are fleeing abroad. Xi Jinping has harmed the Chinese people badly. Xi Jinping has also polluted the Chinese land and water. Although he talks endlessly about green mountains and clear water, he banned Caijing under the dome and forced her to flee to Spain. He turned a blind eye to ecological devastation and allowed polluters to poison the land. His hypocrisy is breathtaking. Xi Jinping has ruined our country. Since coming to power, Xi has stripped the people of our wealth, our rights, and our dignity, all to feed his own ego. He throws billions into projects in poorer countries, pours money into Confucius institutes to spread his propaganda in the West, and still dares to call it patriotism. Worse, he unleashed the wolf warrior diplomacy, bullying foreign nations and alienating the very countries China needs as partners. The result? An empty treasury, a crumbling economy, and the citizens retreated as second class on our own land. All while China's global reputation lies in tatters. So, is it unfair to say that Xi Jinping has betrayed the Chinese people, polluted the land, and brought disasters upon China?